हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे हैं आप सब। आई होप आप बहुत अच्छे होंगे और आपने अपना प्रीवियस चैप्टर जो कि था पेंट ऑन टक्स पेंट बहुत अच्छे से रिवाइज भी कर लिया होगा। तो आइए हम अगले एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर के बारे में जानते हैं। चैप्टर नंबर 6 खोलिए स्टूडेंट्स, वर्ड पैड। तो स्टूडेंट्स वर्ड पैड क्या है? वर्ड पैड इज अ माइक्रोसॉफ्ट विंडोज प्रोग्राम दैट यू यूज टू क्रिएट डॉक्यूमेंट्स सच एज लेटर्स, नोट्स एंड पोस्टर्स। जब आपको डॉक्यूमेंट्स क्रिएट करने होते हैं देन यू यूज दिस एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर दैट इज वर्ड पैड स्टूडेंट्स। इट इज लेस कॉम्प्लिकेटेड देन द फुल वर्ड प्रोसेसर बट स्टिल लेट्स यू परफॉर्म अ रेंज ऑफ टास्क। ठीक है, ये कम कॉम्प्लिकेटेड होता है स्टूडेंट्स देन अ फुल वर्ड प्रोसेसर, ओके, बट स्टिल लेट्स यू परफॉर्म अ रेंज ऑफ टास्क। तो आप क्या क्या कर सकते हैं स्टूडेंट्स वर्ड पैड का यूज करके? यू कैन क्रिएट एंड ओपन द सेव डॉक्यूमेंट्स, format documents, that is change the size and style of the print and look of the page students, okay, then you can insert dates, pictures and hyperlinks, then you can view a document, you can change page margin students and you can print documents using wordpad. Now students info cell में एक information दी हुई है जहां बताया गया है कि wordpad was launched by Microsoft along with Windows 95। जब Windows 95 स्टूडेंट माइक्रोसॉफ्ट ने लॉन्च की थी उसके साथ ही wordpad एक एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर भी लॉन्च किया था माइक्रोसॉफ्ट में, ओके। So students, आप कुछ फीचर्स पढ़ते हैं वर्डपैड के। So features of WordPad, your number one feature is it is an easy tool for doing simple tasks. It is made for formatting and printing documents. It helps in creating documents which includes graphics, various text formatting options into it. It is also a text editor which is included with the Windows operating system. It helps in saving the text with a basic formatting font like font styles, sizes, etc. Images and other graphic options can be added to this. Okay, students. Now it includes the formatting options like italic, bold, underline, etc. It is a good choice for writing papers or creating documents that you want to print, students, as it supports the bullets into it, which is helpful for making lists. You can also use WordPad to open the unformatted text document and add whatever formatting you want. Okay, students. Now, अब शुरू करते हैं WordPad. Starting WordPad. Let's learn to start the WordPad, students. Here, step number 1 is click on the search button, click on all apps. Step number 3, students, scroll through the app list until you reach WordPad and click on the icon. Okay. You can also type in search bar. The name WordPad will appear with the logo. Okay, students. The WordPad window will appear on the screen. Now, screen elements of WordPad. So students, let's learn about the screen elements of WordPad. So क्या screen elements है students? Suppose file menu, ribbon, ruler, quick access toolbar, document area, status bar and control buttons. Okay, and also title bar. So students, these were the elements of WordPad, and now we will learn these elements one by one. So first is students title bar. The bar is at the very top. It is called the title bar. Once you save your document, the file name appears on the title bar and it replaces the word document. अब students quick tip में क्या दिया हुआ है? You can also use the title bar to identify the program you have opened. This is because the name of the program usually appears here. Okay. Next tool आता है students quick access toolbar. The quick access toolbar is located on the right of the toolbar. It gives you quick access to commonly used commands such as save, undo, redo, etc. When you click on the drop down arrow next to the toolbar, it offers more commands. Now come to the next tool students, that is control buttons. So on the right hand side of the toolbar, title bar, there are three important control buttons students. कौन कौन से वो control buttons हैं? Minimize, maximize and close buttons. ठीक है students. अब आते हैं file menu पर students. It displays the commands and options such as save, save as, print, etc. in the drop down menu. उसके बाद आता है students ribbon. A ribbon is a command bar that organizes programs features into a series of tabs at the top of a window. There are two tabs on the ribbon, home tab and view tab. Okay, now document area students, this is where you now type your document, the white plain area. Okay, what is status bar? At the very bottom there is the status bar students. It is the notification area that shows the documents information being edited and some status of your computer. Okay, now let's learn to enter text in the WordPad students. So in next topic is entering text in WordPad. Let's learn to enter the text in WordPad. Your step number 1 is when you open the WordPad, you will see a blinking cursor on the document area. When you will start typing, it will move to the right side students, and then you have to go to the font group and click on the down arrow of the font family button. Okay, a list of various fonts will appear. Select the desired font style. In the similar way, you can choose the font size and font color. Okay, now start typing the document area. In the document area. Okay, स्टूडेंट्स नेक्स्ट फीचर आता है हमारे पास मेकिंग टेक्स्ट बोल्ड, इटैलिक एंड अंडरलाइन। आप अपने टेक्स्ट को बोल्ड बना सकते हैं, इटैलिक बना सकते हैं और अंडरलाइन भी कर सकते हैं। सो बीइंग एबल टू चेंज द स्टाइल ऑफ द फॉन्ट कैन मेक योर डॉक्यूमेंट मोर इंटरेस्टिंग। Different styles of text such as bold or italics can make the text stand out. Okay, underlining can be useful for headings. Okay, let's learn to make text bold, italic and underline, students. So step number 1 is select the text you want to edit or change the formatting. Select करेंगे पहले आप text. Next is step number 2 is to change the selected font to bold. अगर आपको bold में change करना है, click B in the formatting ribbon at the top of the document. Then step number 3 is to change the selected font to italic. अब आपको italic में change करना है, click I in the formatting ribbon at the top of the document. Now step number 4 is to change the selected font to underline. Click U in the formatting ribbon at the top of the document. The text is changed now as per your action. So students, यहाँ पर एक क्विक टिप्स दी हुई है स्टूडेंट्स। क्या बताया गया है कि इट इज ऑल्सो पॉसिबल टू चेंज द सिलेक्टेड टेक्स्ट यूजिंग द कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ कीबोर्ड शॉर्टकट्स which some people find easier than using the mouse. Okay, so what are these keyword shortcuts, students? To make your text bold, select and highlight the text first. पहले आप select करेंगे, highlight करेंगे, then hold down control key on the keyboard and press B on the keyboard. Control plus B press करेंगे students to make your text bold. Then if you want to make your text in italic form, okay, in the italic font, then you will click Control plus I. And if you want to make your text underline, then you will click students Control plus U. Okay, now come to the next topic, that is using alignment, students. So alignment क्या होता है? Alignment is how text flows in the relation to the rest of the page. कैसे आपका text flow कर रहा है in the relation to the page, यानी कि आपका text क्या center में है या right side में है या फिर left side में flow कर रहा है. So और column, table, cell, text box, etc. There are 4 main alignment, students: left, right, center and justified. Left alignment text is the text that aligned with the left edge. Right aligned text is the text that is aligned with the right edge. Centered text is the text that is centered between two edges. Justification controls the spacing between words. A justified text increasing the space between the words to fill the entire line so that it is aligned with both the left and right edges. Okay, let's learn to align the text. Bring your cursor to the paragraph that you want to align. Okay, then click on the left align, right align, centered or justify buttons. The text will be aligned, students. Okay, so this is how you can align your text, students. Now let's learn to print the document. So next topic is, students, printing the document. To print the document, your computer needs to be connected to the printer. Okay, let's learn to print a document, students. So step number 1 is click on the file menu on the top left hand corner of your document. Second step is then click on the print. This will bring up the print dialog box. Third step is choose for the number of copies of your document you need. Okay, you will have your printer already installed on your computer. आपके पास already जो आपका printer है वो installed होना चाहिए computer में, तभी आप print निकाल सकते हैं. Now students, let's learn to save our document. You can save a document at any moment while typing it and saving every few minutes in the recommended practice. You won't lose what you have typed if your computer crashes before you finish your work. ठीक है, तो पहले आप उसे save कर लें. Let's learn to save the document, students. So click on the file menu at the top left hand corner of the screen. Now from the menu choose save. A save dialog box will appear at the top and the left hand side. In the list of folder options, it will show the folder where you will be saving the document. Okay, type the name of your document in the file name box. Now click on save. Okay, your document will now have a name which will be shown at the very top of your document screen. Info source. If this is the first time you are saving a new WordPad document, students, so WordPad will display the save as dialog box. However, if you previously saved the file with the file name, when you click the save, recent changes made to the document will be saved. Okay, it can be saved with .txt or .rtf, that means rich text format file, both. Okay, नाउ स्टूडेंट्स लेट्स लर्न टू क्लोज आवर वर्डपैड. अब हमने सेव भी कर लिया हमारा डॉक्यूमेंट, अब हमें क्या करना है, क्लोज करना है वर्डपैड. आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग योर वर्क इन द वर्डपैड you should save your work and after that close the WordPad document. So there are two methods to close the WordPad program, students. So by clicking the cross button from the top right hand side of the WordPad window, and method number 2 is by clicking the exit option from the WordPad file menu. Okay students, तो स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ हमारा ये चैप्टर कंप्लीट होता है। तो आइए जानते हैं चैप्टर के कुछ few points जो हमने पढ़े हैं। ओके, so start point number 1 is students, WordPad is used to create, open and save the documents. You can use WordPad to open an unformatted text document. Different styles of text such as bold or italics can make the text stand out. Alignment is how text flows in relation to the rest of the page. Students, you can save a document at any moment while typing it. Okay, स्टूडेंट्स ये थे कुछ पॉइंट जो हमने इस चैप्टर में जाने, और उसके अलावा हमने बहुत सारी टूल्स के बारे में पढ़ा। ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप आपको ये चैप्टर समझ आया होगा बहुत अच्छे से। तो स्टूडेंट्स हम मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में अगले चैप्टर के साथ। तब तक कीप रिवाइजिंग, कीप लर्निंग, कीप ग्रोइंग। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, थैंक यू।